It is back to school time in Rock County this morning. Families are waking up and getting ready for one of three scenarios, either all in-person learning, all virtual learning, or a hybrid of both.
Regardless of the teaching style, it's pretty much a new experience for everyone. Families preparing for the big return to the classroom have the normal back-to-school shopping list with a few extras like masks, sanitizers, and cleaning wipes, right? But how do parents and students prepare for the first day of school when the lessons come from their living room? Claire Gray says she's been studying her kindergarten son's schedule, testing technology, and using her guest bedroom as a workspace.
We did, for us, create a space in our house that would be for virtual learning to kind of enable our kid to not, to have some separation and feel like it was a little more formalized. We have an iPad, and the school provided it, and we're actually working through setting it all up today. So there have been some hiccups.
In Janesville, schools are asking students to check their temperatures before they arrive. A temperature above 100.3 or having any of the coronavirus symptoms means you're staying home for the day.